यार एक तो लाइव स्ट्रीम अवॉइड करने के लिए मैं खाना खा रही थी और तूने मीटिंग बुला ली। क्या चाहता है, चाहता क्या है?
अरे तू जा रे, तू क्या लेगी मुंह बंद करने का?
150 रुपया लेगी।
ओके। वरुण ब्रो, तू बता, तू कैसे एक्साइटेड नहीं है मजेदार लाइव स्ट्रीम के लिए?
Why are you so happy? इसमें क्या मजेदार है?
ब्रो, they'll be going berserk talking about sex there. बहुत मजा आएगा।
Stop acting like a creep. There are girls around me.
कहाँ? I तो can only one. Hi तनुश्री।
Yeah, whatever. Shut your filthy mouth up.
Looks like someone is offended. Okay.
राज, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है. You need to learn about respecting sexualities.
Looks like a softie is offended as well.
Looks like Varun, you're confused just like your sexuality.
ये सब छोड़ो गाइस. किन किन के स्कूल में 11th 12th में सेक्स एजुकेशन के बारे में पढ़ाया गया था?
Thank God हम लोग के स्कूल में ये सब नहीं होता था. We got an extra PT period, 1.5 hour of football. I scored that day.
Probably the last time with that attitude.
We were gladly taught about nothing but menstruation.
Same.
Guess what, Raj? They taught about sex. They taught about contraceptives, STDs and stuff like that. Basically, pills and condoms के बारे में पढ़ाते थे.
Yeah, bro, I inquired at the pharmacy store. They don't make one big enough for me, bro.
Big enough or small enough?
Well, do you?
Sadly or gladly, I don't like people. साला सारा मूड खराब कर दिया, छंड कर दिया बिल्कुल।
Just shut up, shut up. It's already 8 p.m. We need to join the live stream now. Chalo, bye.
So let's go, let's go.
So bye.
बाय।
Good evening, guys. My name is Sandeep Rathi, as your friends must have mentioned right now. So, I'm here to talk about a very peculiar yet important topic. A topic which is considered very embarrassing. लोग दरवाजे के पीछे इसकी बात करते हैं, अकेले में बात करते हैं, पब्लिक में they don't talk about it. So, I've noted a few pointers about this topic which will help you gain knowledge. Yes, we are going to talk about sex. And I don't want any one of you with earphones on. जितने लोग हैं आसपास, जो भी सुन सकता है, let them listen, because this is very important. So, guys, we'll start with the basic stuff and gradually move on to the complex stuff. Talking about sex education, the most basic thing about sex education is the male and female reproductive systems and their reproductive organs, respectively. So, the male reproductive system consists of the penis, testis, bladder, urethra, seminal vesicles, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, and epididymis. When we talk about the female reproductive system, it consists of the fallopian tube, fimbriae, cervi, cervical canal, uterus, ova, and the vagina. Penis is the copulatory organ of the males, which is used to penetrate the vagina of females. Men release semen from the penis, which consists of sperms. The sperms are responsible for fertilizing the ovary, which further leads to pregnancy. So, guys, do you know why people have sex? People have sex not only for continuing their future generations, but also for pleasure, stress relief, exercise, sexual curiosity, or attraction to a certain person. Now, we also need to address this very important point of consent from the participating individuals. And by consent, most people don't understand what consent is. So I'll explain you with a simple example. So there's a house, and if you enter the house without a key, that would be breaking the law or basically trespassing. But if you have the key and the permission to enter the house, then you're good. There's no problem. Think of the key as the consent. If you do not have consent, it's considered as rape. Now, rape for a person, irrespective of their sex, is a unimaginably horrifying experience. Now, sex is supposed to be a beautiful thing, a sacred act, but rape is only and only vile and monstrous. Let's talk about sexual health. First of all, topic of menstruation. It is okay, it's completely fine, and there's nothing to cringe about. Now, people discriminating about women menstruating is completely wrong and foolish. It should be essentially taken care of. Talking about rights, all of us have certain rights. Now, interfering with someone's personal space or sexual space is wrong. All of us have the right of saying no, irrespective of the gender. Having spoken about rights, we all have certain responsibilities as well. So, ensuring that we are safe and the person with whom we are having sex is safe as well, that's our responsibility. Well, you need to be fully protected while having sex. Males can use condoms while female can use birth control pills. Condoms are the most widely used contraceptives. They are made of latex and they prevent pregnancies and sexually transmitted diseases. Whereas women can take birth control pills at a particular time so that it can work in order to provide in order to avoid pregnancies. Also, a topic that is a big taboo in this country is sexualities. India is a country of culture, diversity, and cultural diversity. We all know that. But what people often forget to acknowledge is that although we have so many differences, we also have differences in sexualities. A statement that there are only two sexes is extremely disputed. There are as many as registered sexes. There is a hell lot of difference between gender and sexuality. Now, gender doesn't define your sexuality. Sexuality is something that is determined by the hormones your body releases. However, what you feel is completely justified and valid, whether you're attracted in men, women, or both. Don't let society shame on you. Be you, be yourself, and be happy about it. So, thank you guys. That's all I had to tell you. So, if you guys have any questions related to the topic, any question, you can anonymously send it to me, and we'll have a quick question and answer session right now. So, I'll be glad to answer all your questions. So, come on, let's have it. Okay, so what is the legal age of consent in India? So, the legal age of consent in India is 18 years. Moving on to the next question. Is rape really that big of an issue in the country? So, read the newspapers, be aware, and imagine that these cases are the ones that are shoved under the name of dignity. So, in our country, we had 32,000 33 cases which were registered. So, on an average, that means 88 cases daily. Out of these, 30,165 rapes were committed by perpetrators known to the victim. Yeah. So stay aware. Be aware. So, are birth control pills safe? I'd say anything taken in control is safe, but birth control pills, especially, if not taken at the right time or taken more than the suggested quantity, has a few side effects. So basically, when women take these pills, they have a breakthrough bleeding more than normal, menstruation, breast tenderness, nausea, vomiting, headaches. So yeah. What if a person is uninterested in sex? So any person who is uninterested in sex is termed as asexual. So an asexual person doesn't have any feelings towards any of the sexes, be it males or females. What is the difference between sex and porn? So basically, porn is an ocean of unrealistic expectations. It creates a huge inferiority complex in the people watching it. To name some, women always have orgasms with penetrative sex is wrong. So women, it's often said that women have more orgasms when they have penetrative sex, which is wrong. 71% of the women don't, according to the statistics. Men's penis is nothing more than 5.6 inches longer. That's an average size. So basically, porn is not real. It's unrealistic. It's all in the brain, and you shouldn't watch it. You should abstain from watching it. Condoms are safe, I agree, but won't they cause irritation? Condoms are completely safe, yes, unless you're allergic to latex. They are not. They do not irritate you or that particular part of your body. For extra comfort, you could use lubricants. Not losing virginity at a specific age is considered a taboo. What would you comment on that? So, not losing virginity at a specific age should definitely not be a taboo. Losing your virginity is in your hands and it's completely your decision. Anyone forcing you or taunting you, that's wrong. And people who taunt you or try to make fun of you on such a topic, I think you should ignore them, because that's what people do all the time, right? So it should be your decision and you should keep it completely safe. Thank you, everyone. I'm really grateful and humbled for the organizing committee to invite me for such a wonderful session. I hope you guys got to learn a lot of things and enjoyed the session as well. So, this is Sandeep Rathi signing off. Thank you, guys. See you all.
So it was good, wasn't it?
That's what.
Okay, the point about condoms is really enlightening.
Also, I'm so glad he actually talked about asexuality, and like nobody in this country dares to speak about it.
I guess there are a lot of people that are attracted to both sexes. I'm not alone.
Or no sexes.
Yeah, it's the people who need to change and not you. So, by the way, Varun, you too?
Yes, happily and gladly. Though I'm yet to explore myself completely.
Guys, I have been very insensitive, and when I heard about the hardships everyone goes through, I teared up, legit. And अब अगर सब लोग अपने secret share कर ही रहे हैं, so even I have a deep dark secret of my life.
Wait, are you also?
No, I'm not, but I'm addicted to something of that sort.
That sort.
Yes, I'm addicted to
Per,
uh,
per,
I'm addicted to pornography. Yes, I said it there. जब start किया था, that was relieving. I mean, that was a revelation. But when we कैसे बोलूं, I got bored of the same kind of stuff, and I got into rougher things. And जैसे speaker ने बोला, मेरी फट रही है. I am scared. I don't want to turn into a monster or a criminal or something. I don't want it to affect my decisions or my sex life. I want to get out of me. I'm not a bad person.
No, Raj, you aren't a bad person. It was extremely brave of you to let your book open in front of us.
I think you can get help given you are determined to get better. Mr. Rathi से बात कर, he'll definitely help you out. And जैसे तेरे को मालूम है हम कहीं जा नहीं रहे. जब भी जरूरत पड़ती है किसी से बात करने के लिए, जूम लिंक भेज दे हमको और हम उधर की उधर पहुंच जाएंगे.
yes, of course. Like, thank you for sharing. It only makes all of our bond much stronger.
Thank you guys. And also I'm very sorry. I'll make sure I won't call out on anyone based on their sexes.
No, you don't call out anyone based on their personal choices. And better late than never, mate. Better late than never.
Thank you guys. This session has overall flipped my views and decisions and forever in a good way. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, that was